Hello and welcome to Bricksntech. I'm back after a few weeks away. I couldn't do any builds in that period of time because I was actually overseas. But I'm back and we have the latest October. We've got the latest August releases. And look at this, I've got Groot from the Infinity Saga. Looking good, I am Groot. But we're not doing that today. And then we have here the latest Brickheadz. 178 Poodle and 179 Puppy. We're not doing that today. Then we have here 176 Koi Fish and 177 Fry. But we're not doing that today. We are doing 175 Darth Vader and 174 Obi-Wan Kenobi. That's right, the Obi-Wan Kenobi Brickheadz. That is what we're doing today. And this particular set, I actually picked up in the UK. So I was over there. I went to one store, which was in Birmingham, and they actually had a Lego minifig factory, one of only 4 in the country. And so I had a bit of play around with that and made my own minifig. And then on the 1st of August, this was released, and so I picked this up because I had it in store. And then I picked up another one when I got back home here in Australia. Now, what I found interesting was the cost of this. Now, I don't know if this was because it was at the, what do they call, the Lego Discovery Centre in Birmingham. You can see that. But the cost of this set is 20 Great British Pounds. In Australia, that equates to close to $40, depending on what day you do the exchange. But here in Australia, this set, I'm pretty sure, is only $29.99, $30. Maybe, I'm not quite sure, maybe $34. I'll have to double check that. But anyway, it seemed to be more expensive in the UK than in Australia. Not by much. But anyway, this is the set we're going to do. It will be a speed build and then I'll do the review. I really like the look of this. These will be printed pieces. They won't be stickers. The red eyepiece there for Darth Vader. And Obi-Wan Kenobi looks good in the brown and the tan. And I just happened to download the Obi-Wan Disney series to watch on the flight over to the UK. So I was looking forward to this. Anyway, time to get into this build and then come back for the review. Hope you can hang around. Thanks for hanging around. Here we have the finished product, 174 Obi-Wan Kenobi, 175 Darth Vader. And I do like how these come out and represent Obi-Wan and Darth Vader. This was a 35-minute build with 260 pieces. And I made reference to the price in Australia may have been $29.99 or $34. I've checked. It is $29.99 in Australia. So I did pay a bit over for purchasing it in the UK, but that's all right. I don't mind. Got my hands on it, and that's what counted. Darth Vader here. I do like how it's come out. The eyes, the way the eyes were done were very good. The building of this right from the beginning was very different to other Brickheadz, which is good. I like the variety. It was quite detailed around the torso here inside. And then as you got a little bit further up, it was a little bit more standard Brickheadz build. And then there's the framing of the helmet with the slope pieces. And I think in this small frame, they've done a pretty good job to capture the helmet, the cape, the grill, which is very flimsy. Or I shouldn't say flimsy. It just is. If it's knocked, it will come off. It's not too secure there, but that's okay. I like it. I think it's very, very good and a welcome addition to my collection of Brickheadz. And the same with Obi-Wan. I do like, as I said earlier, the color tone used in this build, and I think it's come out really well. Not too much. There's no printed pieces here on Obi-Wan. Not much to it. Again, the cape. It's not really a cape on Obi-Wan, but a little bit of layering there, and it can come away pretty easy. But I think the effect, especially with the belt and the beard and the mouth, comes out really well. And then the color, the different tone of the head and the hairpiece, all very, very good. So really pleased with that. As I mentioned, 35-minute build for these two, 260 pieces. Quite a number of pieces left over. I'll have to double check, make sure I didn't miss any. But I don't think so, because generally with lots of small pieces, you get a few left over. If you can see that. So that will go into the collection. And there we have it, back into the Brickheadz mode. It's been a while. Now I've got a few in the collection to get through, so looking forward to that. Please, if you like this content, like and subscribe, and hopefully over the next couple of weeks I'll be able to build a few more and get a few more reviews out. So there we have it for this week. Thanks for hanging around, and until next time, bye-bye.